Get ready, Islamic ethics and morality quiz. Let's go. Islam encourages community service and helping those in need. The correct answer is true. Backbiting and gossiping about others are considered permissible in Islam. The correct answer is false. Islam emphasizes honesty and integrity in all aspects of life. The correct answer is true. Muslims are encouraged to show kindness and compassion towards all living beings. The correct answer is true. Respect for parents and elders is emphasized in Islamic teachings. The correct answer is true. Islam permits the consumption of alcohol in moderation. The correct answer is false. Charity, zakat, is mandatory for all Muslims who meet the criteria of wealth. The correct answer is true. Forgiveness is considered a virtue in Islamic ethics. The correct answer is true. Islam teaches that one should fulfill promises and commitments. The correct answer is true. Islam allows discrimination based on race or ethnicity. The correct answer is false. Islam encourages arrogance and pride in one's accomplishments. The correct answer is false. Islam promotes justice and fairness in all dealings. The correct answer is true. Islam encourages the use of foul language and vulgarity. The correct answer is false. Islam permits cheating and deception to achieve personal goals. The correct answer is false. Islam promotes gender equality in all aspects of life. The correct answer is true.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.